Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute by Carrington Malin for Saturday, June 29th, brought to you by OnDemand, Turbocharged AI Product Development and Integration. The deadline for applications for the UAE Artificial Intelligence Award has been extended until July 12th. Organized by the UAE Council for Artificial Intelligence, the award aims to celebrate national AI achievements, including AI for service excellence, decision-making, operational efficiency, plus Emirati AI solutions. Meanwhile, Expanse 2024, the world's first visioning of the future with exponential tech, will take place in Abu Dhabi from 20 to the 22nd of November. Hosted by investment and holding company ADQ, a global event organized to explore the potential of exponential technologies, Expanse will focus on AI, advanced materials, genomics, quantum computing, exotic and neuromorphic computing, and 6G networks. And a student team from King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals in Saudi Arabia has secured first place in the prestigious Student Unmanned Aerial Systems competition held in Maryland, USA. The team triumphed over nearly 70 university teams from across the globe. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by OnDemand. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.